Oh yes, hi. Welcome to this YouTube channel, and this is Hair by Clippers. Yes, we're welcoming you that this is the place where you're going to be watching all different types of hairstyles. So please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, you can always make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell. And today's lesson we are going to be doing on how to do the repair for the extended dreadlocks. Yes, most people have been asking how to do the repair for the dreadlocks, for the extended dreadlocks. And this video I'm going to be showing you the most of those steps and even the techniques that you can always use to achieve the extended dreadlocks repair. So I want you to give me a time so that we can do this together. And before we go far, I'd like, if you're still new on this channel, please let's first do this.
Hair by Clippers. Like expected.
All right, welcome back to from that, and please, I hope everyone have made sure that you have subscribed. This is Hair by Clippers, and we're welcoming you to our new channel. Thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing, and wherever you're watching us from, yes, this is the place where we can all learn. You understand? So we're going to be learning most of different hairstyles, but this time around let's try to look at on how to do the extended dreadlocks. So I've been trying to teach you on how to do the extended dreadlocks. We have been seeing on how we can lock it. Then now let's see how we can repair these extended dreadlocks. So number one, we are using the molding gel. This is the styling gel for dreads, a molding gel, and then we apply it just like that, and then after we roll, we start doing the repair. And if you try to see this repair, we are trying to use this method, the one they call the cross locking. Yes, the cross locking. This is how we do it. So you just have to first make the gel so that it can collect all the hair together. Then you take your hook this side, you make one, you make it once like this, and then the second one, it is just on top. This is what we call cross locking, just like that. So now this locking, it is very important, but I always want to advise, like when it comes to this, when you're trying to use this hairstyle, like this method, you just have to make sure that your client have got a lot of growth. That's when you can use the cross locking. But most of the times when the client have note when a client doesn't have that much growth, what you can always do, please don't use it. The only way you can always use is a V locking. I remember Morris, the crochet Morris, have been trying to explain more about this, and yes, the V locking and the cross locking, those two methods are the ones that I use to do these kinds of repair. So now, as we're continuing, what we always do, the first place, we always make sure that we remove the front hair, just like the first line or even like two lines. We always first remove them, like when the hair has grown. Like, have you ever realized that when you have too much growth in your hair, the extension for the braids comes, it comes like, you can see it, you find the hair is like an inch, and yet the extension is like far away from the starting point. Like the extension is always far from the hair when when you have a lot of growth, like when you have stayed with the dreadlocks for a long time. So what we always do when it comes to the front part, we always try to remove it first, and then we lock it again. We repair it with that same extension. So that's how we always do when it comes to the locking. So now if we try to look at this, the extension is now very far. You understand? It's now very far, but just because this is the second line, so it is okay. But now if it's the first line, it is not fine. What you always do, you just have to first unplait it, and then you do it the second time. Like you repair it, you redo it. That's how you're supposed to do. So those ones who didn't know that, now after doing all that, you just try to pull out all this hair. Make sure that you lock them inside. How they can look that very nice. So now let's get back to those ones who always ask like how long you supposed to repair. For that question is that most of the times we repair according to how our hair grow. You understand? Like when you have a lot of growth, when your hair grows first, so it means at least you have to spend like 3 months and then you repair them. It's not good like always to repair the dreadlocks with extension when you have taken too much, like when you have taken months, like let's say 5 months or 6 months without repairing them. That is very, very dangerous for our hair. So you should always try to lock them accordingly. At least if your hair, you know that your hair grows very fast, you can use 2 to 3 months and then you do the repair. Or even you yourself, you can look at it. Like if you see that hair is your hair, the extension that they did is going far away from the beginning point, make sure that at least you lock, you do the repair as soon as possible, because at times when you delay and the repair that same hair, it might cause the blockage. You understand? So and even your dreads doesn't look nice at all. So you should always make sure that you repair them accordingly to that time that is given. So next time we're going to be seeing on how we can unlock these dreadlocks. So please, if you're still continuing following the hair by clippers, I would like to tell you that please make sure that you subscribe for more videos, because we're going to be learning a lot of things on this channel and how we're going to be seeing on how to unlock these dreadlocks and many more. So this was our tutorial of today, and when you're done with all that, you just have to apply the anti-itchy oil. So when I apply the anti-itchy oil, that is going to help your hair to grow first, it's going to help from itching. Then you massage a little bit for the oil to be all over. So this is what we got for you guys. I'm gonna sign out, and may God bless you. We love you so much. Bye bye.
Salungi esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hair by clippers mwebale nnyo, mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Tusima Hair by clippers, take care of mood. Hair by clippers, take care of mood. You are neat like I expected. Saluni ki esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hair by clippers mwebale nnyo. Mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Hey! Tusima, 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 tusima. Gracias! Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho. Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho. You are neat like I expected. Saluni ki esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hair by clippers mwebale nnyo. Mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Hey! Tusima, 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 tusima. Gracias! Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho. Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho. You are neat like I expected. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hair by clippers mwebale nnyo. Mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Hey! Tusima, 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 tusima. Gracias! Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho.